It has been exceptionally dry for the past several days, and we have some very strong winds to go with as we head into the next several days here, at least the next 2 days. We have severe, even extreme drought conditions here across East Texas. We certainly do need the rain, but given all the dry weather that we've been seeing for the past several days, and also the winds that will be moving in for tomorrow, gusts between 30 and 35 miles per hour will be possible into tomorrow and also into your Wednesday. And there could be the occasional gust up to about 40 miles per hour as well. So with all of that being said, the dry air, the dry weather, the winds, they're all in place. So for tomorrow, we do have a very high risk for fire danger all across the area, and that will last into your Wednesday as well. So if you are in a burn ban or if you are not in a burn ban, certainly do not burn anything altogether. The conditions will be bad into the next few days.